Seeking consensus, government and opposition to meet over states of emergency. Both consult stakeholders and come to different conclusions about their continuation. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, no politics involved. Opposition says its stance against continued states of public emergency, not about scoring points.
We'll strike them out. Justice Minister says steps to be taken to remove JPs who take pay for signing.
Still hoping. PAC chairman wants meeting to examine Petrojam report before year end.
It's not enough. Review shows $17 million cost from a base sign is insufficient.
And in business news, taking advice, Customs Agency seeks help to deal with emerging ganja industry.
There's also sports, commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you think the government and opposition could cooperate more on finding solutions for crime?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.